start, we're gonna set the oven into 350 degrees. Then start. Today for Mommy's birthday cake, we're gonna use all these ingredients. Use flour, sugar, salt, chocolate cocoa, eggs, butter, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar, milk and oil, cups, measuring spoons. Start mixing. First, we're gonna put 2 cups of sugar into the bowl. We're gonna put 1 3/4 flour. Let's get some. Next, we're gonna put 3/4 cup of cocoa into the bowl.
Almost at the top. It's a lot. Like a mummy. Oh, that's a big lid. Let's put it in like a mummy. Spread it everywhere, right?
Next, we're gonna put 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Flat like that.
This is how it makes now. To mix really hard.
Next, we're gonna put 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bowl. There. This one's the number 1. Then this one's a baby one. It needs to be a lot up there, right? We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt into the bowl. Get it? It's good. Oh, you make a mess on my hand. I'm gonna be really upset. You're making a mess on my hand, seriously. Stop. Mix, mix, mix. I'm gonna stir it all together. Whoa! Next, we're gonna make a little hole of the powder. Next, we're gonna crack 2 eggs into the bowl. On this, we're gonna start mixing with that one. Catalea. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of milk into the bowl. Let's add it. We're gonna put 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And it's up to the red. It's up to the red. Next, put it, because I said everything. You didn't know I can put it in? Put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract into the bowl. It needs to be all the way up. gonna mix it all up. My mom is gonna add 1 cup of boiling water into the bowl. Next, my mama's gonna add the batter into the pan. We're gonna bake it for 35 minutes. While the cake is cooking, we're gonna make some frosting. Next step, your mama and daddy is gonna help you for this one. You should never use the stove by yourself. Next, we're gonna put half a cup of butter into the pan. Let's do this. When the butter's melted, we're gonna add it into the cocoa in the bowl. My mama will put the butter in the bowl, and now we're gonna add 2/3 a cup of cocoa into the bowl. Okay. Oh, this one's really big, so be careful with the big one. Right here, this one's really big. Got it. This one's easy. I told you. We're gonna add 3 cups of powdered sugar. Then 1/3 a cup of milk. We're gonna mix them slowly into the batter. Do this. What I learned, that was a lot. Pat it and make this go off. Pull. That's 1. Now we're gonna put a little bit in the milk and we're gonna mix it. There. Mix. Now we're gonna add another cup of powdered sugar. It needs to be all the way filled up. I need to get some on my hand because right now it's him. It was an emergency. That's 2. And add a little bit more milk. There. And start mixing. Put all of it. We're gonna make this turn out good. Last, we're gonna add one piece of vanilla extract. I'm gonna put a lot there. Start mixing. Mix till the frosting is creamy. Time for the taste test. Okay, the spoon's ready. Oh yeah. Baby. cake. It's really delicious and a little bit good with that salt. Really good. And with the egg. Or rather we just do a little more Nina, just like that. Little. Thanks for watching. Hope you hold your bells and subscribe to our channel. And next year we're gonna make another cake for my mommy's birthday. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. And thanks for watching. Hope you like my cake that I made. Like a fancy.